Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Smash That Small Paper Pad hosted by Deb Hoax Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click it and see what they have created. Of course, it's something amazing. So I used my Mind's Eye Dream paper pad. It had 24 sheets in it. I don't think I used any before this project, and I have 3 whole sheets left and 1/2 sheet. So I will say that this pad is smashed. I did follow the tutorial for what I'm about to show you. That is in the description box as well. Please click it and check it out and see what it is. I made 3 3 albums, and they're all decorated a little bit different. I did not fully decorate any of them because I don't plan on keeping these. These are going to be given to people, and I just chose to put a little bit of something in there for them, but I want them to, and when I say decorate, I mean like make it theirs, not like, oh, she left a page blank. I left the page blank so they could put a picture on if they chose to or not. But this is the fullest decorated one. I didn't even put any like extra embellishments, and I got a lot of the embellishments from Tuesday morning. This was in like a little tag packet some sort, and it's a few of them in there. I like this, and you know I'm into postage and stuff, so yeah. So this is the front, and this is how the back looks. Then right here we have a little belly band, and that's, now the books are not followed to the T of the tutorial, but they have elements of the tutorial in there. The book itself is primarily like that, and these are from last year, I believe. Embellishments on the 11th, I think these are from last year. They have to be because I didn't do these this year. But anyway, I made a little belly band for them. This is a little tuck spot. See the beauty in everyday things. And I like these little, I don't know what they're called in real life, but you know, like description of what these are. I like those. I've always tried to find books like this. I haven't been successful, but I've given up on looking for any craft stuff besides stamps. And right here is just a little pocket. I just put some random assorted things in here that I have. And then this says sunshine, life is a beautiful dream. And I thought that some of these like trippy sentiments and things like that, trippy not in a bad way, trippy as in like, yeah, go for the goal, or see the beauty in, you know, everyday things, or things that people tell you like, oh, get out, you know, I don't want to hear it. But when you're dreaming of becoming better than what you are, you always have to dream in the realm of positivity, and life is a beautiful dream is definitely positivity. We aim for sunshine all the time, or we want sunshine all the time, although I am not opposed to the rain. And this bike, the paper pad itself is a little bit trippy as well, so it's just different. And you know, when you think of dreams, you think of just random weird stuff happening in dreams, or random good stuff. Hopefully you dream good dreams. And so this right here is a little pocket. I followed her thing, but I didn't do it right. So I just made it the way I normally make stuff when I screw it up. Cut it down and trim it to how I want to do it. This is a piece of paper pad that I just took my circle punch and punched it out. I should have put the paper in first because this is hard to put back in. But you know what? We're gonna get there. We always do, right? And then this is a little coin envelope. I followed the instruction a few times and I still screwed it up, but I used some brads and then I used my heart punch. I didn't use a circle punch. It's like a heart would be cool, but there you go. I don't think there's anything here, and this is the last page, and this is how this book looks. Then the next book, again, they're all randomly filled at different things. I used a doily for this, and I thought this would be really cool. I like these type of papers that have like random stuff on top of it. So yeah, these are some little flowers. Now this is a pocket to put other stuff in here, but I just put these in. I didn't want to direct or guide the book in any way, because the paper pad itself doesn't have like true guiding things. It's not like a, you know, nothing super motivational. And this one says hello. And then we have some more little flower pieces in here. But you can put whatever you want on there. It says fancy and staple dry goods new store. So yeah. And then you have this. Then I just put a little sticker here. This is from the Maggie Holmes sticker pad book. Most of these are from that. Can you believe this book costs 20 bucks? And if you were to buy it from my Hobby Lobby right now, they don't have the coupon. Oh, I would never. $5 is, I was thinking, was too much, but it has a lot of stickers in it. And then right here, so this is another coin envelope. And I didn't punch any holes in it or anything like that because I was like, you know, we could just leave this one blank. And it's empty as well. But I was thinking, this, she makes it and she puts it on one of these little flaps. And I was like, I don't want to do that. So like, you know, the person can do whatever they want to with it. They can put whatever they want in. And we have this here. And we also have a little pocket here. Nothing's behind this one. And this is how the back looks on this. Then the last one. The last one is probably the least filled in. But I thought this would be cute. It's a little ballerina. It says delighted. I was going to put a whole bunch of sayings here. I was like, no, you know what? Let's leave it blank. So the person that's receiving it, if they want to add more to it, they can. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is green dots. Those dots kind of mess with my eyes a little bit. So I think that's why I didn't want to. I feel like if the person wants to cover something up, they can. You can even put like a butterfly or something on top of there. And then this page is blank. I put a little sticker here. And then on here inside, it just says yay. And it has a little card tag thing. Put lovely right there. And this one opens up different because I wasn't paying attention what the heck I was doing. What I was going for was the images and not paying attention. So that's why it opens up a little bit weird. But you have this little, another vellum piece. I think this is Heidi Swap. I'm not sure, but I think this is really cute. You could trace this out if you were good into that. And you can reuse this butterfly a lot of times. And then we have this Polaroid picture of some flowers. I don't know who that's from. I took a lot of embellishments and just dumped them into a box. So, yeah. And then we have this. It says celebrate chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks toys. That's cute. Then we have the sweetest thing ever. And I thought maybe this could be a picture area. Because the tutorial says that they're like albums. But I really don't consider these to be like truly albums. But that's just my opinion. And then I made another coin envelope. And this is my own creation. I screwed up the directions and I just made it. So yay. Yay for me for making something. And then this is the last page. And it says, create beautiful memories. I thought it'd be cool if they decided to, whoever gets it, decide to put a picture in there. And then this is the back. And you see how they're contrast with the same. So these are my creations for this month for Smash That Small Paper Pad collaboration. Again, please click on the description box and see what everyone has created. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.